Hey guys, Edward here. So, this weekend, 148 is going to be running some excursions, and I need all my fellow rail fans and foamers to come and help me out. I have left two options in a community post. Well, three if you count the I don't know, but please ignore the I don't know and actually choose. I'm willing to chase either the Toys for Tots train and make a part 2 of the first fifth chase, similar to the one I did last year. Or I could do something new this year and instead chase the Sebring Santa train, something I wanted to do for a while because I've never really caught the Sugar Express in Sebring. So, please let me know down in the comments or vote in the post that's going to be linked in the description or in the comments, I don't know. And just vote, let me know. Voting ends pretty soon, around midnight tonight. I could possibly extend it a little bit into Friday, but I need to know so I can make a plan for tomorrow. I meant the day after tomorrow. Bye.